Hello and welcome to another update video about Phantom. It's been a while since I've done the last one, a few days ago, and in the last one it looked a bit like that this was going to be a bull flag here. And so I did at the time, I think, have something like that on the chart, just a descending channel. And I said, bull flag, it's likely to go to the upside. And to be honest, it did actually. However, it broke back in. But in my view, it's still a bull flag, or at least, a descending wedge, which again is pretty much the same thing. Both are a bullish pattern, and it's part of the bull flag essentially. So you've got something like a descending channel, so in this case, a descending wedge, and that is likely to break to the upside. And to be honest, if we look at the entire chart here, we are in an ascending, we have an ascending trend line here, so we are moving along with the trend in an uptrend. By the way, this is a 4-hour chart, so we're moving along with this trend line, which is going up. We have overextended away from it, like this one here, like back here, where we did a similar thing. So back here, that was in September, we had a bullish consolidation as well. We moved up, we had a consolidation and a breakout to the upside. However, I think then that was when the flash crash happened. So since then, we've been trading alongside, still in an uptrend, alongside this trend line. And then we've, in a huge push that I still expect for some other cryptos, like for example, Cardano, we've overextended away from the trend line again. And now we are in a bullish consolidation. Now, that consolidation here is at a less steep angle as the consolidation back then when we moved back down. So it is more bullish in my view. Also, you can see this ascending, this descending wedge, which again, is a bullish pattern. So while the price is going down, the lows are going down less strongly as the highs. That's, it is a bullish consolidation. So if we take a look here on the daily chart, we can see that we've come back from the overbought range here. We've come back out of the overbought range, still in the bullish range on the RSI, and have a lot of scope to the upside. Now on the ADX, we have still the uptrend intact, and we also have a long signal still, so that's looking good so far. And on the MACD, I think we're trying to make we've made a bearish cross here, but I think it all depends on looking at this pattern and what it's likely to do, because again, we need to see overall, take the overall thing into account. We've had a huge uptrend, huge move to the upside, and now this is just a consolidation. So I would actually expect this to break to the upside from here once more. And I think when this happens, I'm probably going to go long when I see a breakout to the upside of this upper resistance line of this descending wedge. That's currently sitting at, and again, let me go down to the lower term time frame. So that's currently sitting at the current price level pretty much. I would say at $2 pretty much, or $2.01. That's what we need to break to make it sure that we get here a move to the upside. Now, if we drop, I think it's pretty clear where we're going to land. If we really lose the support line here, which is currently sitting at around 190, if we're really losing that, then we're going to land here at the a little bit above the 150 line. 152, which is also that recent high here, a little bit higher than 150. So 152, 153. That's also where this ascending trend line is currently running, and I think that is then where we land. And that would also be, if we hold that level then here, that would also be an alternative good trade entry, depending on what the price is doing now. I can't tell you now if the price is breaking out here or if it will drop down once more to this level. I think both would be good trade entries. To be honest, it also depends on what Bitcoin is doing. There's so much at play here. That's why you can't say, it's going to break up now or not. But it's more likely from here to go up in the current environment because we have a descending wedge, which is a bullish pattern, and they normally break out to the upside, especially in an uptrend. And we are above all the moving averages on the daily. So it's just more likely. I mean, we could also, if we fall, if we lose that, we probably find initial support at 170, which is that which is where the 20-day moving average is running at the moment. Overall, it's all looking good. In the grand scheme of things, it doesn't matter if we drop down once more to 152 or 170 or so. Again, this is the noise. I think we are in a long-term uptrend here, And this also is confirmed by the 200-day, by the 50 and the 20-day moving average. Looking good so far. Over the last few weeks, I managed to get, I added actually some Phantom to my HODL portfolio, also to my trading portfolio, and I'm gonna go into a long position if we break that descending wedge to the upside, of course with a stop loss because it's my trading portfolio, and my stop loss I'll probably set somewhere below this, below the support of this wedge, yeah, because I don't want it, even if it breaks back into the wedge, I think I'll set this stop loss somewhere here at around 180 probably. Just need to think about it, but it needs to be below the support level of the wedge. All right, that's what I think, at least for me. That's what works for me. Right, just wanted to let you know, we are still in an uptrend. Just, yeah, price went down in the last few days, but that's just because we're in a bullish consolidation. No surprise really after such a move here to the upside from, well, we were pretty much at 130, and within a few days we managed to get all the way up to 250. Crazy price move, and I don't think that is going to stop yet. I think we're going to continue. But what I also need to mention is first two things here. We're getting into the alt season, and again, that's the little one playing Xbox. Sorry about that. We're getting into the alt season, yeah. So we're currently coming out of Bitcoin season, going into alt season. And also what we need to be aware of, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're both hitting a key resistance level now. We're getting close to all-time high territory. So if they lose that level, if they can't hold it, or if they drop it, if they can't get through to all-time high, then I think short-term we'll see altcoins dropping before money will probably flow from Bitcoin into the altcoins then, and we're getting into the altcoin season. So there could be short-term price drops across the board really, if Bitcoin and Ethereum can't get to the new all-time highs, because then potential scenario would be they move sideways and then altcoins will catch up, but if there is strong resistance for Bitcoin and Ethereum and we even have a price drop there, then the altcoins will probably suffer. Just really as a heads up, but again, that's just the noise, and the long-term game for crypto is up, and crypto is a marathon. Crypto is a marathon, crypto is not a sprint, and that is why I hodl most of my cryptos. All right, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button, and if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.